What is going on, world? And today you're tuning in with Kay. And today we're going to be working on a TV wall makeover. And the wall at the beginning was how it looked like, just a regular old basic wall. And we're going to give it a little twist like you've seen. So the type of wood that we're working with is red oak, poplar, as well as pine. And it was a combination of, making them fit. So it was a pattern. I think it was like two pine, one poplar, and one oak, and it just repeated over and over. Um, Besides that, it took about 2 days or 3 days maybe to make. I know I changed a lot of outfits, but about 3 days to build. Uh, just stick around and see how it came along. And if you have any questions or anything, just put it down in the comments. So guys, we're gonna try to do it before the sun sets, and we're gonna put this wipe on poly, and it's gonna give all that wood that deep look. And as you can see, this little area that I did right here, it's pretty like bright in color, so that's what it's gonna do to the entire wall. And check it out, this is the reveal for the end piece. It came out pretty nice. It blended in right, and it doesn't need any sanding or anything. But I'm pretty pleased with everything. I'll show you guys another look at night. And here's another thing for this, the magnetic piece. I still have to sand it and do a couple improvements to it. But this is where the magnets sit. I just glued them on. And all you gotta do is pop it in there and it hides the wires. See, instead of seeing them like that, they're actually a little bit more hid. Although, I messed up on a cut. I'll have to bring it back down a little bit so it would look like that. And up top we have a little bit of green stuff to hide the brackets, the L brackets that we shot on the wall so we can support the shelves. But besides that, maybe another shelf here, extend this to the side, but we'll see how everything goes. Alrighty guys, check it out. Welcome back guys, and this is it guys. The TV wall is done and it got continued all the way to the end. Added those last few shelves that we talked about and it gave it that different look, and you can put some things up top right there. At the end I did not show this, although I added 2 more lights over here. This one, and there's another one on the other side, and the wires, I ran them in here where you can't really see them from far. They went down through the plug almost, and then into the cabinet, and it got tied down in there. Same thing with this one. The wire went down, and then that's the thing, and then went underneath, so that worked out. It still needs a few things, but this is pretty much it. At the top, it needs that little piece of wood, and I still gotta fix the magnets, but it is pretty much done. Right here. Let's take a look at it when the lights are off. There it is when the lights are off. Oh, I did not show you this, but at the top there's vines to hide those brackets that we added at the top. And it's just so, you can't really tell where they're at. And here's another look at the top. You can see them. They're hidden pretty well. Now, another thing is, here's this. We can see, if you really want to watch a movie, you can turn off the lights up top, and you can enjoy the movie like that, where nothing is really hitting your eyes and like distracting you from actually watching the movie. But this is it right here. And you can change the colors up top, and at the bottom there's a remote for the top one, which is right here, and you can pick the colors, of course. So we got yellow at the bottom, or so orange. Here's another orange, and let me turn the brightness up a little bit on the camera. You can't really tell, but here, I'm gonna sit down, show you again. Looks like that. Alrighty guys, a huge thanks for sticking along till the end. And peace. Have a good day, and thanks for watching.